Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Messages RCS not working on new phone. Alright, let's begin. First, close the Google Messages app completely. Open the Play Store, search for Google Messages, and update it to the latest version. Then search for Carrier Services and install it if it's not already installed. Next, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps, then Default Apps, and select Messages. Make sure Google Messages is set as the default messaging app. After that, return to the Apps section, find Google Messages, and open its settings. Tap Storage and clear the app cache to remove temporary files that may be causing issues. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if RCS can connect properly. Finally, restart your phone and wait a few minutes for Google Messages to re-establish the RCS connection. That's it for this video. Thanks.